Ladies and gentlemen, hello again. Today we have Ferrari Roma fitted with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Some of them come with it from the factory, some they doesn't. Let's see how it works. And let's see how this one starts. I managed to do it once. Fuck. Turn on the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth in my phone. It's using the original Bluetooth audio for music and calls, which means the sound quality and call quality will not be affected at all. When you long press in this corner, switches between CarPlay, and long press again, back to the Ferrari menu. So, if you want to add wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto in your Ferrari, just drop us a message and we can definitely help you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.